And these actually have a breaking strength of 1,200 pounds of strength. Let me just show you how these things work. We'll just do one here. But basically, if I show you one, you know what the other one looks like. So these are made for any type of tie downs, whether you're putting like a fishing kayak on a trailer or something like a load across the back of the trailer. The way this works is this right here will hook onto a hook on the side, and then you have your cam strap right here that runs just like this. The webbing on this looks to be more like a coated type webbing, kind of like has a nice slide to it, and the cam just works just like that. And you'll put one side over here locked down, and then you're just going to pull this across and then tighten it up. Very handy. This is something I recommend for anyone that's got like a kayak like I do, and you want to like hook it down on a trailer. You just have a couple of quick hooks. They have the safety hook right here so it doesn't come back off once it's on there, and it works extremely well. Better than just your regular cam straps that go over. And you can run this right here. This is like an additional hook if you want to go around something or pull on something and you want to kind of like run it through itself and you don't want to hook onto the kayak or something like that. Recommend for anyone that just needs a good solid cam strap at an affordable price. That's all I got on the dual pack cam strap. See you all in the next video.